Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, what is the deposit limit for Capital One? This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of understanding your deposit limits. Your deposit limit is the maximum amount of money that you can deposit into your account at any given time. This is important because it can help you avoid overdraft fees and other financial problems. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the details of Capital One's deposit limits. What is the deposit limit for Capital One checking accounts? The deposit limit for Capital One checking accounts is $25,000 per day. This means that you can deposit up to $25,000 into your account in a single day. What is the deposit limit for Capital One savings accounts? The deposit limit for Capital One savings accounts is $100,000 per day. This means that you can deposit up to $100,000 into your account in a single day. What is the deposit limit for Capital One CDs? The deposit limit for Capital One CDs is $100,000 per day. This means that you can deposit up to $100,000 into your CD in a single day. What are the consequences of exceeding your deposit limit? If you exceed your deposit limit, your bank may reject your deposit. This can be a problem if you are trying to make a large deposit, such as a down payment on a house or a car. In some cases, your bank may charge you an overdraft fee if you exceed your deposit limit. This is because they will have to cover the overdraft amount for you. How can you avoid exceeding your deposit limit? There are a few things that you can do to avoid exceeding your deposit limit. Plan your deposits in advance. If you know that you are going to make a large deposit, be sure to spread it out over several days. Use online banking. Online banking allows you to make deposits from your computer or mobile device. This can be a convenient way to avoid exceeding your deposit limit. Contact your bank if you have any questions. If you are unsure about your deposit limit, it is always best to contact your bank and ask them. In addition to the information above, I would also like to add that Capital One offers a variety of deposit options, including cash deposits. You can deposit cash at any Capital One branch or ATM. Check deposits. You can deposit checks at any Capital One branch or ATM. Mobile deposits. You can use the Capital One mobile app to deposit checks. Wire transfers. You can make wire transfers to your Capital One account. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions about Capital One's deposit limits, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you are looking for a new bank account, I would encourage you to consider Capital One. They offer a variety of banking products and services that may be a good fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.